So in this video I'm going to look at number systems again. This time I'm going to be converting from base 10. Now you might be saying converting from base 10 to what? Well, it doesn't really matter. Converting from base 10 to base 5, base 3, base 2, base 7, I don't care. But I'm going to convert from base 10 to something. Now base 10 is the number the number system that you are most familiar with. Let's go 2344. So you can picture that number in your head, 2344. Now let's convert to base, let's convert it to base 4 and see what happens. Okay, so if you're converting to base 4, the easiest way to set this up is to create your columns. 4 to the power of 0, 4 to the power of 1, 4 to the power of 2, 4 to the power of 3, 4 to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 5, 4 to the power of 6, 4 to the power of 7. That's probably big enough. Okay, and then you need to think of what each of your place values are in that. So 4 to the power of 0, that's equal to 1. That's our 1's column. Now 4 to the power of 1, that's equal to 4. That's our 4's column. 4 to squared, that's 16. That's our 16's. That's our 64's. After that, I need to start cheating. 4 to the power of 4. That's our 256's column. And 4 to the power of 5. That's our 1024's column. Now I'll just add in one more column here so we can see our thought process. Our 4 to the power of 6 column, that's 4096. Oops, 4096. Now this column we're not going to need. We're probably not going to need this other one either. Now we just need to work from left to right, filling in each column from largest to smallest. Now our 4096's column, the question you need to ask yourself is how many times does 2344 go into 4096? 0 times. It doesn't. So nothing goes in that column. Move forward to the right. 1024. How many times does 1024 go into 2344? In my head I can figure that out. Twice. 1024 goes into there twice. So 2344 minus 2048. And you can do that on your calculator. And I have 296 left over. And now I need to put 296 into here. Now how many times does 256 go into 296? Once. 256. 40. How many times does 64 go into 40? 0 times. How many times does 16 go into 40? 16, 32, twice. Okay, there's 8. How many times does 4 go into 8? Twice. And there's 0 left over, so there's our 0. Now this 0 at the front, that's superfluous, we don't need that. And so now we can say that 210220 in base 4 is equivalent to 2344 in base 10. Okay, that's how you convert from base 10 to whatever you feel like.